everyone, welcome back to Tech Formula, your one stop destination to learn tech the right way. In today's video, we are going to decode something every SAP consultant must understand, and that is project documentation. We'll cover the top 4 documents used in every SAP S4HANA implementation with easy examples and also show you where to find these templates online. Okay, so first of all, in any SAP project, whether you're finance, or SD consultant, one thing is common, that is documentation, right? Without proper documentation, a project can become messy, confusing, and full of errors, right? So if you're learning SAP or preparing for interviews, this video is for you. The first document is requirement traceability matrix. Okay, so this is basically a checklist that tracks every requirement given by the client. For example, the client says, we want TDS to be auto-deducted when making vendor payments, right? Now you know that requirement in the RTM, then you map it to the solution in SAP. Say configuring withholding tax, right? Later, during testing, you make sure it is working, right? So what does RTM do? We call this RTM. So RTM is ensuring that nothing gets missed in the project. Okay, it connects requirements to actual solutions and test cases, right? This is the first one, requirement traceability metrics. Second one is business blueprint document. Okay, BPD. So next is the business blueprint document. This is one of the most important one. This document captures the client's current business process and maps it to SAP. For example, the client says, we do monthly depreciation manually in Excel. Okay, now in the blueprint, you explain how SAP will handle it. Maybe using T-code AFAB for automatic depreciation run. So this document is created during the explore phase of the project. It's like a master plan for configuration. So how is your system actually going to look like? SAP system is going to look like is what is documented in business blueprint document. Okay. Now, third one is business process master list. Okay, this is a list of all processes that will be tested during the project. Business process master list. The master list of all the business processes. Okay, for example, in SAP Finance, your BPML may include vendor invoice posting, MIDO, payment run, F110, asset procurement, bank reconciliation. Okay, so each line item in BPML becomes a test scenario. So this is a master list. Okay, so this helps in system testing and UAT, user acceptance testing. Fourth one is functional specification. This is used when the client asks for something that SAP doesn't do directly and custom development is needed. Means the requirement that SAP is not able to fulfill in standard SAP. Okay, that is what is documented into functional specification document. Okay, for example, the client wants a custom report showing TDS, paid vendor wise every quarter. Now you are going to write the logic, required data fields, and selection criteria in the FSD. Okay. Then the ABAP developer will use it to write the custom program or report. So it acts like a bridge between the functional and technical team. Okay. Now, next question. These are the important documents. Next is where to find them. Okay, so you might ask, where can I find these document templates or references? So here are the top official SAP resources you must bookmark. Okay. Official. Okay. So first one is SAP Roadmap Viewer. me.sap.com. This is the website. So this shows every SAP Roadmap Viewer. What is it going to do? This shows every phase of an SAP project and the documents required in each one. Okay, if it is cloud, for cloud, it is going to show you for activate methodology, it is going to show you. If it is on premise, it is going to give as per your project requirement. What is your project? So SAP has provided these resources online. Okay, so this shows every phase of SAP project and the documents required in each one. This is perfect for understanding the project flow. First one. Second, SAP Process Navigator. Okay, that is also me.sap.com. So SAP for me, we call it. Okay, so here into the Process Navigator, you can explore SAP business processes for each module, like P2P, R2R, etc. Okay, so our component is ERP. Under ERP section, you can visit all of this. For every business process, you are going to get the documents over there. Okay, third one important is help.sap.com. Okay, so this is SAP Help Portal. You can explore here. You are going to find the details about SAP, T codes, configuration, system behavior, right? For everything, you are going to find the documents over here. Next is SAP Community. So community.sap. Here you can ask questions, read blogs on this one. Okay, experienced people are writing the blogs over here, and you can learn from those experienced SAP professionals, right? On community.sap. So these are the four important. Apart from that, you can always search on Google. Okay, if you're facing any issue, you can always search on Google, right? So it is going to give you the data it is going to redirect you to these websites. Okay, most preferably you should use community.sap, help.sap.com. Okay, for solving any kind of issues or anything. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you are serious about becoming an SAP consultant, this video is a must watch. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to share sample templates or create tutorials on how to write each document step by step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Formula, where tech becomes simple. See you in the next video.